PoppyK, create, craft and make paper jewelry and challenges to break. PoppyK, create, craft and make. PoppyK, subscribe, like.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Well, today I'm a little zoomed in because we're going to do a little bit of wire work. I have literally just sort of brought everything together. I'll do a proper flip through at some point, but today I'm going to show you how to learn how to make these. Now, I said I was going to do some embellishments, but this puppy's really quite thick. So I've just added, I'll just show you briefly what I've done. I've just added some tickets, and then I've used like one of these, it's this die here. And I've used that to create like a little pocket, a little bit like the Tim Holtz pocket. And that was on the back of the train tag. I've put in a picture of this chap here, but like I say, I'll do a proper flip through. But it is getting really quite chunky, hence why I've devised this this elastic. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how somebody did ask how to make. Oh, I'm not quite done with it. You know, take that off there. How to make the, get a piece of paper, bit of card, the light bulb paper clip. So I'll just leave that there. Now the wire I'm using is a 1mm wire. I don't know what the actual gauge is scientifically. So I do apologise. So I'm just going to cut about 6 inches of that. And the tools you're going to need, obviously, are wire cutters. I've got my flat nose pliers, round nose pliers. I've got the 6-step bell making pliers, but anything round. And I have got these pliers, but I don't think I'll be using those. So to begin, obviously I've just cut my wire, and I'm going to take my round nose pliers. We'll just take those out of the way now. I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and at one end, I do apologise about my nails, but I've been out today. And I'm going to take the round nose pliers and pop it into probably about 1 centimetre, maybe not even that, maybe 1/2 centimetre. And I'm just going to rotate my wrist, but bring the wire round. So we've got essentially a little hook. Then I'm going to pop my round nose pliers back in. I'm just going to move over a bit so you can see. I'm going to pop my round nose pliers in just on that point there, and then bring the wire back onto itself. So we're creating the filament of the wire. I'm going to just pop back in and do that again. So you want to kind of line it up as much as you can with the last loop you've made on that side, and then bring that back round like so. I moved, but that's fine. And there you can see we've now got something that looks like that. So then I'm just going to pop in with my flat nose pliers and squeeze everything together. Not as much as that though. There we go. So now you can see they're sitting nicely lined up together. I'm going to do one more, and that will be our filament ready. So I'm just popping into there, bringing the wire back round, and as you can see there, we've got our filament. And then I'm just going to pop in with my flat nose pliers and gently squeeze those together. Okay, so there is the bottom of our filament. So that's what we've created there already. So now all I'm going to do is, with my flat nose pliers, where your wire comes out of the last loop, or out of the last sort of hook, you're going to place your pliers in just lift that up a little bit, place your pliers in so then they line up with the end of here. Can you see that? And then you're going to bring this wire up. Okay, give that a little squeeze. So now you've got that up at a nice angle. And I'm going to go back in with my pliers, and where we've just created that angle, it's going to bring that wire out a little bit. So we've got like a little bit of a curve going on. This is where your round nose pliers or anything round that you've got, so such as the top of a lid or something like that. But I'm going to use this last piece, the very largest mandrel on here, that way even, that way, yeah, and go around. Oh, it's that way. Why am I? Yeah. So sorry, I'm just a bit confused there. Right, so we've got our little bit there, and I'm going to place these in just at the angle that we've created, and then I'm going to start by bringing the wire around just to create a nice little curve. So we're now bringing that round to create a nice curve, and then we just use our finger or thumb just to manipulate that round. Can you see we're starting to get that light bulb shape? Okay, bring that down to as far as you can, and then you can come back in with your round nose pliers again, or your round, whatever it is that you've used that's round, and bring that in. And then where you've started to bring that in, we're going to come back in with our round nose, with our flat nose pliers, and bring that in like so to there. Just give that a little, can you see that there? And then you're going to pop your round nose pliers into there, making sure that your filament section's at the front, and you're just going to bring that down. So that's effectively what you've got, is your light bulb and then your filament just there. Then with this, I'm just going to turn that over a little bit, straighten that up a little bit, there we go, and you can just finesse the size and shape of your bulb. There we go. Right, so we've now got that, and then there's that section. So we're now going to, if you want to, and feel more comfortable, you need to have the filament at the front, because that's going to be the front part of your paper clip. And then we've got this piece of wire down the back, and where your filament finishes, you're going to create an angle. You're going to push that to the side so it sits this way. So we've now come round with the whole wire, and now we've got it sitting that way. Then the other side of the filament, you're going to put your pliers in and bring that back up to the back of your work. So now we've effectively got a paper clip. So we just need to finish off the back however you wish to finish that off. You could do a spiral, or you could do what I've just done, is just to create a little box. So that's all we're going to do now, is just create a little box. I'm going to pop back in with my pliers, bring that round to there, and then we're just going to bring that down. So you pop back in and bring that down, so it's all in the same place there. So now it's looking like that. bring that round there, and if you want to, you can just, or that's what I'm going to do now, is just cut inside there, get rid of the excess, and then we can go around with our pliers and just kind of fix everything if you wish. And that is how I make my light bulb paper clips. Just like that. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to do a flip. I can never say this. It's like say thrift flip. I'm going to do a flip through of my steampunk album, hopefully, and then, well, I might probably do like a flip through of all of them, but I'll probably do one of the steampunk one anyway, because that's the one that we've concentrated on the most. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you would like any more tutorials on creating paper clips, then please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you so much, have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.